Hey everyone,
Hey,
and welcome back to Hoop Tube. And on this episode of Hoop Tube, we're at Nan and Pop's Happy Ass Farms. What are we going to do today, Ivy?
we're going to feed a new baby calf named Kelce.
That's right, this is our new baby. Here, turn around and tell the camera what we're going to do.
Calf, Kelce. And
Calf named Kelce. That's right.
And she's a little baby. And there she is laying down. And we're going to go in there and feed her.
That's right. This is Kelce. She's about, 3 days old. She was born on Super Bowl after the Kelce brothers. So she gets 2.5 bottles of cow formula a day, right, Ivy?
Yeah.
All right.
And let's go in there and feed her. We have to go in.
All right, let's go in here and feed her. All right, so this is Kelce,
You did all
the
fine.
baby calf. And she's going to town in this bottle, ain't she, Ivy? Kind of a lazy little baby. Doesn't even want to stand up to eat. Uh-oh. Here she goes. Here she comes. Now give it to her.
What are you doing?
Here, hold the bottle up. Like this.
She's sweating.
There you go.
Oh, here you go.
Oh,
Oh, here you go.
oh. And see, they do that. That's natural for them to butt around like that. Because, you know, they're cows and they eventually butt things with their hard heads. Right, Ivy?
Yeah.
They think you're the mama because
Yeah.
you have the bottle.
So basically, whenever that happens, she's saying, hey, mama, I'm here. Give me some of that teat. And Kelsey's not latching onto her mommy's tit. So that's the reason why we have to use the bottle, right, Ivy?
Dad, I'm telling
Wait
you
a second.
something.
I want to know something. Why is this your idea to feed a cow and you're over there sitting on your caboose while I'm doing all the work? That's because she knows that deep down, I'm a country boy. Alright, well this is all we're going to feed Kelce. What's our next task, Ivy?
Feed a chicken egg.
That's right, we gotta go see if we struck gold with the chickens. No, I hear you can get up to $25 an egg nowadays.
Sorry.
So let's go look at these chickens.
Yeah. Dada, go. Oh, what? There's a chicken right now.
Alright, now we're here at the chicken pen. Well, let's go see if we got any good eggs.
Look at Kelce.
Okay, red rooster and the goose. Have no fear.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Ah! No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let's see here. Alright, there's the big red rooster. The reason why she said watch out for the roosters, because male roosters can be very territorial of all of his girlfriends. So he might flog you. That's no fun, is it, Ivy?
What's chicken?
Alright, this right here is the chicken pen. Smells real bad, but maybe there's some eggs in here.
No one there?
Okay, so this right here is what's called the roost. The hens will go in here, and they'll lay eggs. Uh-oh. What's that in there? Here, no, there's one in there. And this right here is where the chickens sleep. Almost like a big branch. Did you get that egg out?
Dada, why not the egg gets a football thing?
Oh, we've been had. I bet a weasel came in here and took our egg and left this. Oh, we got tricked. Is there any? Nope, none in there. And none in there.
Put the chicken
Well,
here.
let's go over here and see if we... Oh, God! Oh!
No in here.
Tearing down the roost. Uh-oh. What's on that far side?
The egg.
Get it! We're gonna eat good tonight!
Yeehaw! Woohoo!
Show the camera that big egg. That's a $25 bill right there. Homegrown egg. I don't see any more, do you?
Yeah.
You do?
Nope. Dada, now that I'm going in the rooster pen.
Wait, let's... Okay, everyone. So this is Charlie. And he's just some random old goose. Passed down from family member to family member. He's real territorial too. He protects all these chickens. So if I went over there to grab that hen to try to kill it so I can eat it, he might attack me. So we'll let Charlie be. Let's go put our egg up. We gotta go in here and get one more egg out of this coop. Uh-oh, what do we got, Avi?
I found something.
What'd you find? Another egg?
Now you do that part.
We got another egg, looky there. Woohoo!
Ew, it's kind of dirty.
It's kind of dirty. We'll make sure to wash it off. I don't see any up here. Nope, I don't see any up here, so let's go put our eggs up.
Yeah, and when we can eat.
Oh, hey there again. Just to show you where we put our eggs. Where do we put our eggs at, Ivy? In this outdoor refrigerator. That's right. An outdoor refrigerator.
I put one here and put one right here.
That's right. Do we got any more tasks to do now?
Yeah.
What?
Feed the donkey.
Feed the donkeys.
Whoa!
Oh no.
93 are ready to do it.
Yeah. Double five. Double five. Two hands at once. Yeah.
We have to talk into a video, guys.
That's right. And anyways,
Back to the video.
an important part of the farm
Is
is rodents maintenance. And the best way to keep the rodents rid of is to feed the cats.
here they are.
Here they are.
Wow.
Here, Finny, you want to pour that in there
That
for me?
was Dada. What's it doing? That one's a boy.
That's right.
We're both nice.
All right, show Finny where to pour it at. Here, Finny. You pour the food down. Good job. Those are some good kitties. They make sure that there's no mice on the farm.
And the most important.
Are we done now?
No.
What job
And
we...
the most important thing on part night is we need to feed a donkey.
The most important job on the farm is to feed the donkeys?
Yeah.
Well, if we're going to have a big-ass farm, we better have a happy-ass farm, right?
No, we need to take in the mailbox first.
Okay, well, let's go feed these donkeys. Well, now we're here to the donkeys. Ivy calls them Stevie and Stevie because they look like their dad, Stevie. All right, 3 Stevies. Ah. You coming in here, camera guy? Nope. All right. Feeding time. Uh-oh. And that's how you feed the donkeys. No hesitation. I let them know exactly. I was the boss. Is that right?
It's time for you to be.
What?
We need to feed a cow.
I guess it's time to feed the cows. Living on a farm is a lot of work. Once we get done feeding these cows, then we can eat. What?
After that, you have to move the
What's the cow say?
What's that cow say? What's it saying? Oh, here they come. All right. Let's get my buckets going. This is 13% protein. Bunch of grains. Eat up, you heifers.
Come down there.
Yo, stinking heifers. Where'd Ivy go? Whoa! Well, Ivy, I think all of our chores are done, don't you?
No! We need to jump on the table.
Well, we'll go jump on some hay bales. But make sure you like this video, you give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Also, if you want to tell us what your favorite farm animal is, put it in the comments, right, Ivy?
Mine is a favorite baby cat.
That's right. Baby cat's name is?
Kelce.
Until next time, bye! Let's go eat!